Welcome to Višnjevac.
These are beautiful graffiti that represents our home. Here is center of Višnjevac, where we have market, a church, bakery, a hairdresser, pharmacy, hospital and many other things. We also have many parks in Višnjevac, and this is one of them.
Here's market Konzum and bar. This is elementary school Višnjevac, where we study every day.
Around school we have many parks and playgrounds where we can spend time and enjoy. Here next to school is kindergarten.
Višnjevac was not always called Višnjevac. Before it was called Adolfovac, after Count Adolf Pejačević. In 1948, Adolfovac changed its name to Višnjevac in order to avoid associations with the German leader Adolf Hitler. In 1860, the chapel of Saint Maria was built. It is one of the oldest buildings in Višnjevac. The primary school Višnjevac is a very nice place to visit. It was founded in 1948 and it's still working to this day. A kindergarten was built in a schoolyard, all along with a lot of sport fields, a playground and an arbor. Višnjevac primary school is really worth visiting. The football team Višnjevac has a huge, spacious field that is perfect for football. The club was founded in 1948. On the same ground in Višnjevac, every year on the 8th of September for a little lady, there is a huge carnival. It's been a Višnjevac tradition for years. This carnival is the most famous in the city.